Welcome to this video on induction motor overheating, covering its causes, prevention, and diagnosis. The 10 degrees Celsius rule shows how critical temperature is. For every 10 degrees Celsius increase above the rated temperature, the motor's insulation life drops by 50%. There are 4 distinct heat drivers inside an induction motor that must be investigated to prevent failure: electrical, mechanical, environmental, and internal. Electrically, overload is a major danger. Motors draw high current for heavy loads, creating exponential heat. Operate motors at 75% of the rated load for the safe zone. Voltage irregularities, such as low voltage, voltage imbalance, and harmonics, also cause electrical heating. A 1% voltage shift can create a 6% to 10% current imbalance, leading to hotspots. Frequent start-stops generate inrush current, 5 to 7 times the normal running current. This frequent cycling traps heat, as the motor cannot dissipate the thermal spike before the next start. Mechanically, stress and friction from bearing failure, misalignment, or rotor rubbing cause overheating. Rotor rubbing, in particular, can instantly destroy a motor. Environmental factors include cooling blockages from dirt, thin air at high altitudes, and ambient heat above 40 degrees Celsius, which destroy the cooling gradient needed for heat transfer. The variable frequency drive, or VFD, paradox. While VFDs save energy, running the motor too slowly can cause overheating because the cooling fan also spins slowly. Internal issues like insulation breakdown and open rotor bars are defects that worsen with aging. These lead to shorted turns or increased current pull to compensate for lost torque, creating intense localized heat. The diagnostic matrix helps match symptoms to root causes. Symptoms like a burnt toast smell suggest insulation failure. Excessive shaking points to mechanical defects, and frequent breaker trips indicate electrical overload. The key is to find the heat before the motor fails. Monitor systems daily. Use thermal imaging and prevent that critical 10 degrees Celsius spike to extend motor life.